What's going on, guys? This is Chris from Editor Tricks, and today I am going to give you a general overview of our latest Weebly theme, Arksi. Okay, so I'm just going to go over some of its features, as well as show you how to set it up and use it for your Weebly site. All right, so this is Arksi's demo site. As you can see here, very simple. Your logo, navigation, then you have what's called the information section here, which contains an avatar, name, call to action button, blog stats, and just a little about section where you can add text. Below that is the category slider, and below that are the blog posts, because this is a Weebly blog page, and below that is the blog pagination. All right. So when you apply Arksi to your Weebly site, this is the screen that you will be met with. Okay, it just provides some quick information on how to set the theme up, a little information about some of its features like the dark mode, as well as its theme options, and then below that the area to set up the information section as well as the category slider. Okay. So let's start with Weebly's blog pagination. Okay, so the blog pagination is at the bottom here. This is a numbered blog pagination. So it's a step up from the pagination that comes with every Weebly theme. This one actually shows numbers. It allows you to go to the next page. You can choose next. You can choose the numbered page, or you can just go to the last page. And I'll show you actually how this works when we have more than 2 pages here. So let's set this to have 1 post per page. Publish the site, and we should only have 1 post at the bottom here. Okay, so as you can see, this is Arksi's homepage now, and there's like 1 blog post on it, and the blog pagination has changed accordingly. Okay, so we can skip. We're on the first page right now, so we can skip to the 3rd page by clicking number 3, and then we're on page 3. Now this is interesting. So we can see the page, the previous page, as well as the page we just came from, which is the 2nd and 1st page, and then we can also move forward to the next page, the 4th page, or the 5th page, and we can. It's just a much easier way of navigating a blog page on Weebly. Okay, so within the information section at the top here, there are blog stats, and the blog stats automatically keep track of how many posts, comments, and pages your blog has. These numbers will automatically update every time you publish your website. Okay, as far as color schemes go, so Arksi comes with 4 different color schemes. Comes with Arksi, Instagram, blue, and dark, and I will show you how to apply them. Okay, so let me just close this window. Oops, it already was closed. Right. Okay, so right now Arksi is set to just Arksi, which is just a plain white background. You can do Instagram. I'll show you. Refresh the page. Okay, so it gives it more of the color schematics from Instagram. Then you can change it to blue. All right, as well as the dark theme. All right, and that's how that works. Actually, let me put all these blog posts back here. So we had 9 originally. Okay. There we go. All right, actually, I'm going to apply the original light color theme that we had on here. Publish that. Okay, now theme options. So theme options allow you to adjust the styling of Arksi without actually touching any code. So to access the theme options, go to theme at the top, and on the left, click on theme options. And your theme options for Arksi allow you to change the accent color, which is pretty much the theme color I shouldn't say the theme color. It complements the theme color. So right now it's set to blue, which is the color navigation, active links, and that's all I can see at the moment. So you can change the style of the avatar here. So this avatar, you can change it from, you can remove the border, you can change the border to a half border, or you can make it a full border. I'll show you if you remove it, publish it. This half moon border on here should go away. All right, you can see, and then if I apply the full border on here, see a full border appear behind the avatar. There we go, just like that. Okay. All right, so the category slider. So the category slider is right here, and the category slider will display up to seven blog categories. Okay, and the way you set this up is very easily. It's very easy. You just go to theme at the top, click on theme options, click on automation, and just scroll down to the category slider setup, and you'll see 7 individual input slots: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All you have to do is put in the URL of a blog category into the input slot. Obviously, the first input slot is going to correspond to the first image, or say the first slot on the category slider, and so on and so forth. Okay. All right, so category crumbs. Category crumbs are, so if you go to a blog category page, okay, so this particular blog page has a category hiking. Click on hiking. Category crumbs appear at the top of a blog category page. This is a category page, and it just lets the visitor know that they are in fact on the category page and display the category right here, and allows them to easily navigate back to home. Very similar to category crumbs are breadcrumbs, and breadcrumbs appear when you click on any blog post. So we'll just click on this one. As you can see, the breadcrumbs appear at the top of the blog post, and it has the name of the blog post as well as the home page, so the visitor can easily navigate back to the home page. Okay, the information section. The information section, kind of briefly touched on some of its features already, but the information section is this entire section right here at the top. Includes the avatar, the name, call to action, blog stats, and the text. And to edit the content within the information section, go to theme at the top, theme options, and then open the automation window here, and then scroll down to the information section. Okay, so here's your avatar. You can change. You can link this up. The name, you just type in the name that you want to appear. For the call to action button, you can change the text within it, and you can link it to wherever you'd like. And the information bio is kind of works in the same way as like a Weebly text element. You can type in text, you can link, you can change colors, you can do all that stuff. All right. And last but not least, like all editor tricks themes, Arksi comes with a drag and drop footer, as you can see right here at the bottom, and that any changes made to this drag and drop footer will automatically reflect in every other page layout. All right, guys, so I hope you found this tutorial to be useful, and I will see you in the next video.